but it's far beyond what we expected.
What the hell?
To adjust and adaptation.
Tiffany!
And I believe that once we understand that the world is ever
Tiffany!
and we
I'm 24 and I can't take it anymore.
I'm 29 and I'm not fine.
Well, I'm 42.
Damn. I'm sorry.
Why?
You can reciprocate. I got delicious taste. You need a woman's touch in your place. Just protect her and keep her safe. Baby, worship my hips and waist. So feminine with grace. I touch you so when you hear me say, boy, let me be your woman.
Are you tired of hot food burning the roof of your mouth? Hate when hot food scorches and torches your tongue and leaves it feeling so numb?
Surplus food just tastes so much better when you eat it directly from out of the pot.
You've come to the right place. You are now at Surplus How to Unburn Your Tongue tutorial. How to unburn your tongue tutorial. Yes, you heard it right. Yes, see the letters above? How to unburn your tongue tutorial. Because that's the sound that you're going to make when you're going to unburn your tongue. It sounds like this. For demonstration purposes, we're going to use this live setup of actual food that has been prepared. You can see the steam rising. Woo! This is like magma. There! Done to perfection. If you use my patented how to unburn your tongue technique, you will never scorch your tongue again. No, I don't take me to take out food out of the pot. But no, you soon share out the dinner. No, it's a video me I do. No, I'm not try to thief out food out of the. My tutorial is just $3.99. Links in the bio.
Me sure me did have some milk.